Inconsistent branding doesn't slow your growth. It silently ruins it. Or you don't have a growth problem, you have a branding consistency problem. If your content looks different every week, don't expect the algorithm or your audience to recognize you. Let's talk about something most creators ignore. Inconsistent branding would not result to progress. Not because your content is bad, not because you are not talented, but because you are not recognizable. Branding is not just colors. It's not just about fonts. It's not just a logo. It's your message, your tone, your values, your visual identity, your promise. If one day you post motivational content, the next day travel, the next day random trends, the next day business advice, your audience gets confused. And confused audience don't follow. They don't engage. They don't remember. Growth happens when people instantly recognize you, when they know what you stand for, when they know what they will get from you. Consistency builds trust, authority, memorability, and community. Every time someone lands on your profile, they should feel alignment, clear message, clear niche, clear energy. The algorithm favors clarity, but more importantly, people do. You don't need to be everywhere. You need to be consistent somewhere, because brands grow. Random pages don't.